So here we are with another program. This one has an array in it and some pointers, and I'll walk you through it. I've already set up the debugger with a breakpoint at the first line, and so I'm going to run that. And notice it. I've already set this up to show both the global variables array, and actually you have to enter that yourself. So when you start, it'll show up this way, and you just type in the name of the array, the global, and it automatically recognizes it, and you can expand it to show what's in it. And so it's a 5-element array, but only 3 are initialized, so you can see that. So let's walk through this program. I'm going to do step over, and the first thing that happens is the index gets set to 0, and then we start copying in a 55 over and over again. That's all that happens here. And you can see it fill the array down in this area. And when it gets done with that, the index goes to 5. And we can move on to the pointers. So I'm establishing a pointer there, the index, and then I'm going to change the thing the pointer is pointing to, which is the index variable, in the next line, and you see that happen. And then we can play with a pointer in the array. I establish the array pointer, and then the next line I increment it, and it gives you a very nice output here to show you that. And then I start changing things. So I'm pointing to the second element of the array, and I just change that value. So the debugger works very nicely to demonstrate all sorts of variables and what happens with them in memory.